Welcome back. Goa has worn a Christmas look. It's red and white all around. Stars, bells, Christmas trees, sweets, and many more. Caroling and praying has already begun all around the state. Here, have a look at the Christmas preparations and celebrations in states. Sneha Sabnis reports.
In our Catholic Church, last Sunday of November, we start with Advent. When the Advent starts, we prepare for Christmas, and that's the time people like prepare with decorations. Normally abroad they start during Advent, but we like start on the second week of December, and then we have our midnight mass. Then we celebrate it till 6th of January. That is the feast of the Three Kings.
This script shows you the olden time, like the places, all the Bethlehem, River Jordan, Jerusalem, how things were, who were the kings and all these things. So it's like the beginning of era. And the main thing is that Jesus is not just born in the crib; it is born in our hearts. So that's the reason every person who makes a crib puts the Jesus at 24 hours in the night.
आणि गोंय क्रिसमसाच्या वातावरणान रंगलेलें आसा. सांता क्लॉज तुमच्या खातीर सगळ्यां खातीर गिफ्ट्स घेवन आयिल्लो आसा. हांव स्नेहा सबनीस दिनेश करपे वांगडा प्रुडंटा खातीर.
Deputy CM Francis D'Souza, in an interview to Prudent, revealed that many people try to dislodge him from his position from BJP itself. He accepted that BJP doesn't have a replacement for Parrikar if he moves to Delhi. He also said that he has no problem if BJP projects Narendra Modi as PM candidate.
आमचे relationship personal
For you,
thing.
it is not BJP, it is Manohar Parrikar.
Manohar Parrikar is a personal relationship, and then once I got into the party, I stayed there.
सदांच बीजेपीची इमेज आसताली की एंटी मायनॉरिटी म्हणून. ही इमेज तुमकां भितर आसतना केन्नाय जाणवली?
म्हाका केन्नाच जावना, केन्नाच चुकोन पसून जावना.
केन्ना दिसलें?
पूण लोकांची एम्बिशनां पयल्या हांवें. म्हाका कुशीन धरून आपण फुडें सरपाची ती एम्बिशनां पयल्या. पूण ती जावन धर्माक लायना.
थंय धर्माचो वापर करपाचे प्रयत्न जाल्या.
जावं शकता. ते कितें आपलो जातीचो प्रश्न करतात लोक. आपलो समाज म्हणटा, आपले लोक मतदार इतके आहात, आपली फॅमिली येदी मोठी आहा. तरेतरेचे हे पॅरामिटर्स लायतात. आनी म्हाका दिसता आयचे तारखेर मनोहर पर्रीकर ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाची ग्रीप आहा पळय ती लोकल लिडराक अजून येवंक ना म्हाका धरून. आनी दुसरे फाटी जर रावलो तर अजूनय शिरकाला तितून. निमणे लोकांक जाय तशें जाता तें.
पर्रीकाराक जाय तशें जायना.
पर्रीकाराक जाता तशें जायना आनी म्हाका जाय तशें जायना. लोक थारायता ते.
तुमचे वैयक्तिक मत कितें? आर यू कम्फर्टेबल विथ मोदी? फाल्यां समजा बीजेपीन सांगलें की मोदी इज अ प्रायम मिनिस्टरियल कॅन्डिडेट. विल फ्रांसिस डिसोजा बी कम्फर्टेबल?
व्हाय नॉट?
Congress Legislative Party meeting has opposed the formation of Cousin Board. CLP meeting was held at opposition leaders' chambers on Monday. CLP will oppose the contradictory provisions in Act which will affect Comunidad Acts. Cousin Board Act will finish. Goan identity charged Alex Reginald.
As far as cousin lands were concerned, since there was a growing dissent and the bill is kept for suggestions, that there were some points which were not contrary to the law, that our suggestions will go to the government, and we will not allow the government to act in haste and work against the interests, especially interests like Kundad, interests like tenant associations and various other provisions.
The Romi Lipi Action Front on Monday served a legal notice on the Goa government demanding an amendment in the Official Language Act. They have demanded to include Konkani in Roman script in the act along with the existing Devanagari. Front has also mentioned Article 345 of the Constitution of India to adopt any language does not empower the government to restrict any language to a particular script. They have now threatened to move to High Court. Romi Lipi Action Front has served a notice to Chief Secretary of Goa B. Vijayan. Notice states that Goa Language Act, which restricts the Konkani language to Devanagari script, is unconstitutional, ultra vires, illegal and void. The legal notice also says that if government within 15 days does not propose an amendment to Goa Language Act to include the Roman script, then Romi Lipi Action Front would have no option but to move to the High Court. A copy of legal notice has been also sent to Governor B. Vanchu and Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Bureau Report, Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.